YouTube, what's good? It's Ricky with the black horn. So check this out. I ordered some wheel well liners, finally, right? Don't know if you guys remember me mentioning that in one of the previous videos, but check this out. So I wanted to order me some wheel well liners because y'all see, like, you know, when I'm rolling, I don't want people, sorry about that glare, let's see. There you go. I don't want people to see that right there. So wanted to cover that up. So boom, they came in today from Husky liners, wheel well guards. So yeah, I've been hearing a lot about these and people saying how difficult it is to install them. So I guess we about to find out. So I will let you guys know how it goes. All right, so stay tuned. So I just kind of snipped them. They were zip tied together. These things are huge, gosh, but yeah, it's a big truck. So anyway, looks like it comes with instructions and some clips. So let's see if I can get these open. Always a challenge to do it one-handed when you're trying to film. All right, guys, so it literally comes with 2 clips. So I'm kind of excited about that, but at the same time, don't know how difficult this is going to be because it's a single clip. I'm assuming that holds these on. That's going to be interesting. But I mean, I guess I can use the existing bolts and clips and everything that's already on there. So, all right. But anyway, so looking at the instructions. So it kind of tells you, okay, it's got some pretty clear installation instructions here. All right, guys, so step 1, they say to clean the wheel well. So I am doing just that, just making sure everything is nice and clean under here. All right, guys, so after we clean the wheel wells, which is the step number 2, vehicle prep, then we're gonna go to step number 3, and if you have the mud flaps, all right, guys, so I just figured something out. So in order to remove this mud flap, I got a 2019 Ram. In order to remove this mud flap, it's got two of the, I don't know what you call them, like clips that you have to pop it out. I'm just not comfortable with popping it out. And I don't want to break them. So I think what I'll do is leave this loose. It's loose enough to slide the piece behind. So pull it back, slide that piece behind there, and then the holes should line up, and I can just fasten it back up and have everything nice and snug instead of taking this entire piece off. So that's what we're gonna roll with. All right, YouTube, man, they wasn't lying. Man, it took some work to get these things in here, but they in there. It looks good. I'm definitely happy with the way it looks. Truck is good and dirty right now, so it's definitely got to be washed. But wheel well guards, whole lot better than what it did look like. I mean, you got minor things like, I mean, maybe it's just the fact that this is my first time ever doing this, but you know, stuff like this right here, like that little gap right there, like I tried my best to get that closed in. I couldn't do it. And I got tired of wrestling with it. Everything else is snug in there, tucked away. So it's got a nice factory look to it. Just couldn't get that one little part. And then it's like the other side is something different. So this side went in really well. This is, I gotta wash this truck. But anyway, everything's tucked away. On this side, this little thing this one right here wants to stick out a little bit past my mud flap. So I don't know, I may put some heat or something to it and hopefully bend it back behind that so I can, that's just gonna get on my nerves if I know that's what it looks like while I'm riding. But again, big improvement. I'm definitely happy with it. So guys, it's some work. I mean, it was definitely some work. So you just kind of have to make it work for your truck. Everything's not going to be perfect unless you just got the time. Again, I just kind of gave up. But I mean, I got it in there. It's snug. It's tight. I think it's in there correctly. I just, those little areas. Anyway, whoop the hat off my head. So anyway, guys, I want to do this video for you. Waiting on my bed cover. It should be on the way. It's supposed to be showing up today by UPS. So as you see, I don't have a bed cover on here right now. So definitely looking forward to getting my bed cover put back on. So anyway, guys, I'm so tired. Anyway, make sure you hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, share the videos, and please hit me up in the comments if you can think of anything that you would like for me to do a video on. Until next time, peace.